When Jeff Bezos founded Amazon in 1994, it was just an online bookstore in a garage. But even then, he set a principle that would define the company's future: customer obsession. Bezos believed that if Amazon focused relentlessly on delighting customers, everything else, growth, innovation, and profitability, would follow. In his 1997 shareholder letter, he wrote that Amazon would always prioritize customers over competitors, because customers are always beautifully, wonderfully dissatisfied. That dissatisfaction, he argued, was the fuel for innovation. Over time, this idea evolved into what Bezos called the flywheel effect, a self-reinforcing cycle where better experiences drive growth, growth funds innovation, and innovation circles back to delight customers even more. This unseen flywheel transformed Amazon from a scrappy startup into a $2 trillion empire. Consider Prime. Launched in 2005 as free two-day shipping, it became a lifestyle membership with video, music, and exclusive deals. Prime members shop more often, attracting more sellers, which expands selection and lowers costs, spinning the wheel faster. Then came AWS, Amazon Web Services. Born in 2006, it grew into the world's largest cloud platform, powering everything from Netflix to NASA. AWS profits subsidize lower prices and faster shipping, fueling the flywheel behind the scenes. Amazon also built one of the most advanced logistics networks in history. Fulfillment centers, robotics, drones, and last-mile delivery ensure speed and reliability. Sellers join through Fulfillment by Amazon, customers get better service, and the cycle strengthens again. And in recent years, advertising added another spoke. By turning customer data into targeted ads, Amazon created a business rivaling Google and Meta. Sellers invest more, customers discover more, and purchases rise, another push to the wheel. At the heart of it all is culture. Bezos insisted Amazon would not be competitor-focused or product-focused, but customer-focused. Employees are trained to start with the customer and work backwards. Every move, Prime, AWS, logistics, advertising, serves the same goal: delighting customers. Amazon's success isn't luck. It's the product of a coherent strategy built around the flywheel effect. As long as Amazon continues to obsess over customers, the wheel will keep spinning, propelling the company into new industries and new frontiers.